Welcome back to Now or Never Adventures. We are a family of 4, trying to live our life a little differently than the norm. In this video, we get to work wire brushing the keel and painting it. We wire brush the propeller shaft. We get a special delivery from UPS. We put the mainsail on, and we put the new Nona signage on the stern of the boat. I can't wear this even at this time in the morning.
It's too hot.
Can't have it on. No.
So how is it looking?
Pretty bad. We'll have to grind it back. Yeah. Quite a lot of it on this edge.
So this side is finished. So now you're going to be...
Yeah, it's finished. Let's go in the water. It's finished. Now, this is...
You look a bit blue.
I'm a little bit blue.
But you've got...
Now, this is the ideal situation you would have when you have a boat. What you need is you need a little bit of paint and then you need a little bit of flaky rust. The flaky rust makes it go fast. This has not been done yet. When you get down to this area, I've kind of had the brush on it, but my batteries ran out. I've had some help from our good Danish friends on Apollon, SV Apollon, given me his electric drill so I can use the wire brush on the end of that. As good as it's going to get without doing some real hardcore work.
Yeah.
And also I've got the anode, I fitted the anode onto the propeller. The anode had come off, but our friends again at Apollon let me borrow their thread cutter. So again, big thanks to them. I'm not sure if you can see any sort of like the difference between like before
Yeah.
and after. I think for now, if we get it down to here and prime it.
Have an injury.
Yeah, I have an injury. Yeah.
Ouch. Did you pull your nail off?
Yeah, with the plant.
Ow.
After the final coat of anti-foul on the keel. So this is how it looks now. Looking pretty nice. So what I'm going to do here is I've already started. I'm taking off this. It's either growth or they painted it previously. Taking it back to the steel. And then I'm going to put some grease. And then it was clean and shiny. Clean and shiny. Now what about this, guys? This is not clean and shiny. And now I'm half cleaned this. And then my drill stopped.
This daddy without boxes. Yeah, finally, after we paid the fortune. After you paid the fortune, the boxes have arrived. Hooray!
Well, got holes. Holes everywhere.
Well, UPS, but
So they look after it well.
yeah, UPS, thank you. You're amazing. Yeah. But this thing is the passport.
Step 1, sail bag on.
Wrong direction.
First we put it on back to front.
Yeah.
Captain's fault, somebody's fault.
Okay.
We've got the battens to put into the sail bag now.
And careful.
After I've had fiberglass in my fingers
Careful the buttons
from
of
the
mainsail there.
mainsail battens.
Do you need my help?
No, I'm fine.
Good? You attached? Lovely day and we're melting in the sun, aren't we? Wish we could just sit and have some cocktails. So talk us through what you're doing right now.
So we've got the bottom of the sail attached. I think this is the clew and the tack. I think that's what they're called. And now we're going to put...
We will have to revise
We
our
will.
theory.
We will, if we got it wrong, we're going to put words on the screen. And no liability, don't watch me. Don't do this at home.
Yeah, don't try this at home.
Now we need to start putting the slugger lugs up the jacksie.
Up the hill.
So I need Tanya to be down that end with the halyard.
Oh, who's gonna be filming?
Well, I don't know.
Okay, so basically this will go through the track here, And you're gonna go up and up and up because I'm gonna. I don't want to pull all the way up because wind picks up and
Yeah.
we're gonna get toppled over.
What have we done so far?
Well, we put the sail on, but we're gonna flake it now, and it's hard work when the wind is not helping. I mean, it's helping, but we can't sail.
Yeah, we've got the wind on either beam. In the morning it's one way, in the afternoon it's in the other direction. We can't put, well, we feel like we can't put the whole thing up because we're on stilts at the moment, and it kind of vibrates anyway in the wind, so if the sail was up, I'm pretty sure we would just get blown over and that would be game over. We've flaked it right up here. Of course we've got 2 bits of the mast, 2 bits of the sail up, which will be flaked at the end, but we flaked it at the mast here. Now all we're trying to do is we're going to pull it back into the same flake orientation and try to get it into the bag. Yeah, and then we shall fix a bit of the Genoa with our new sewing machine and then fit that. And these are really bad quality gloves. If you're a man, you need large.
Yeah, this is good for
They
me.
do not work. These ones, large, good,
Sanitas.
good.
Hercules,
Hercules, yeah, they're very weak.
but Sanitas is good. Buy Sanitas.
Buy Sanitas. Advert. You can sponsor a Sanitas professional. It's on.
No, we still gotta attach the lazy bag lines. You know.
The bag lines and the reefing.
And the reefing and button.
So here's the goddess of cleaning. I don't know if you can see, but Fortuna is gone. Wow. Awesome.
How's it going?
All right, I think, yeah.
First part is done, right?
Yeah, let's find out. Find out what happens. Under pressure. Ding, 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 ding.
No, that's it. Documents almost done.
New name, new life.
Sit, Mama.
Bubble, I think. There we are. No.